Parrots are among the most colorful birds in the world, flaunting bright feathers that look like nature's rainbow. Did you know these amazing birds can mimic human voices? They can even copy sounds like alarms or ringing phones. Parrots love to socialize, often living in large families called flocks, chirping and squawking together. These clever creatures eat fruits, nuts, and seeds, using their strong beaks to crack open shells. So, next time you hear a funny voice, it might just be a parrot having a bit of fun.